Then I'm going to break this down into 5 parts. The steak marinade, dressing, the toasted rice powder, the salad veg, and then all the finishing touches, just to make it super easy. And I will write the full recipe below, and then we'll link it to the website eventually here. So for this first part, it's all about making the mushroom into a steak. So by infusing the color and flavor to get that steak texture, look, and feel. And that's to do with either beet powder or beet juice, soy sauce, a little bit of ground pepper, and some boiling water for the initial marinade. So we are using the grill. I'm just going to give a little bit of time, get the heat correct before we start adding the steaks. I let this marinate for a few hours, and honestly, it looks like some kind of organ meat. From what I remember of cooking animals, this pretty much comes close to looking like an animal part. Although it is not. We do not cook animals on this channel. How to make the steak is the simple pressing method, the Sarno sear. It's the same technique we've developed to turn these amazing mushrooms into steaks. That's what we have to do first. But first, Ben wanted to give his hand at trying the whole tong technique. So I tried to show him. I try to show everybody. And it's pretty funny.
They can never show you how to do it because they just know how to do it.
Yeah. A lot of people ask about how to flick the tongs like that. Honestly, it's from being born with a pair of tongs in my hand and cooking since I was a little kid and working on the line. And when you always have a towel in one hand and tongs in the other, you just had to do something with them. So once we press the mushroom a couple times in the pan, flip and press, I made sure to get most of the liquid out before we put them into the pan. We get it to this perfect stage right here. So now I'm just going to let it cool down and rest, and then we're going to make the quick dressing. And the dressing is made with lime juice. I'm using 2 limes here, palm sugar, or you can use regular sugar if you can't find palm sugar. Dark soy sauce, you could also use regular soy sauce. Garlic cloves, a bit of lemongrass, and also a little bit of ginger. This dressing is so flavorful. We're also going to use a little bit of it to dip the steak in ahead of time before we put it onto the grill, just to infuse that flavor right into it and let the mushrooms soak it right up. This is one of the best tasting dressings ever, and you can use it on more than just this salad. And before putting the mushroom on the grill, I'm going to make the toasted rice powder. I took 2 tablespoons of jasmine rice, rinsed it really well, drip dried it, and now we're going to toast it with 1 lime leaf, just for extra flavor. In the beginning of the video, I toasted off some white and black peppercorns. I will also be adding this to the mixture after it's done. I found the key to the toasted rice is to actually go past the golden color and into the brown, but before burning, to get the most flavor out of the rice. And then just make sure you pound it fine. So now we're going to jump over to the salad prep, where we're just taking the green onions, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes or teardrop tomatoes, just the little ones, and then also a cucumber, and slice those fine, and we'll add it all to a bowl. And we're just going to slice up a Thai chili, add that to the salad prep. You could add it to the dressing if you want it really spicy. I'm just going to add it to the salad prep here, and then also a couple whole ones just for color and show. So for the lemongrass, I like to pound a little bit with my knife first, and then just take off the last inch or 2 from the bottom end, shaved super thin. It's going to be super flavorful. And then we'll finish this off with a shaved shallot, and then off to the grill to finish off the steak and do the finishing touches. I have some fresh mint out in the garden. We're going to use that for the herb, the aromatics, the mushroom steak, the lion's mane. Now this is just perfect right here. It's so flavorful. Just getting all those nice char marks on it. I'll let it rest a minute, and then we'll slice it and put together the salad. So while Ben gets all the aromatics ready, we're picking some fresh mint, some basil. We didn't have Thai basil, so we just used regular basil, and then some cilantro or coriander for my UK friends. So now the steak. Looks like it's well done, medium well to well done, although choose like it's rare to medium rare. And what I've learned is that the beet juice oxidizes. So if you leave it to the air, it'll turn brown. It still has the amazing flavor, but it turns it so it looks more well done. And it is Frankie approved. For the finishing touches, we're going to add a lime leaf shaved super thinly. I learned a lot of Thai cooking and like the flavor combos from an amazing teacher named Hanuman out of Chiang Mai last autumn. I got to spend some time with him. So anything I know about Thai cooking is from Hanuman or Andy Ricker, who used to own Pok Pok, and then just playing on my own. Now to bring it all together, I'm going to add a little bit of the toasted rice powder right to the steak, sliced steak, and stir that up so it absorbs it into the steak, because we're going to be adding the vegetables now and then the rest of the dressing. So it'll be plenty flavorful and plenty moist, and it is so good. Mix this really well. Add the aromatics at the end, just fold them in, and then we're just going to plate it up and enjoy it. Frankie, no ball in the house, you know that. So I'm going to plate this family style so Ben and I can take a few photos, do the finishing video. It is amazing. Honestly, guys, if it's the only salad you make this year, make this one. And if you don't have lion's mane, try it with other mushrooms. I will be sure to try some other recipes with different mushrooms, but I'm just on this massive lion's mane kick right now, using all the fresh grown ones.
Really good. Oh yeah. I think I've got a whole chili. So good. That's unreal. Just amazing. This is my first time eating lion's mane. The texture is really, really meaty. I like it's porous, that it absorbs all that flavour as well.
And I'm a dingbat because I forgot the sticky rice until this part here, so serve it with sticky rice, or regular rice is fine as well. Alright, we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you for joining us. Give Ben Vegan's Kitchen a follow, and we'll see you next time. Have a great week.